have covered the laws of test-driven development before, but I'm going to give you a little recap. The first law is only ever write production code in order to make a failing test pass. And when you write a test, you should only write enough of that test for it to fail. So the code should be syntactically correct, but it possibly will fail to compile, and that is failing. You should then only write enough production code to make that failing test pass. When you start out with test-driven development, it's important to keep these rules in mind, and potentially even on a piece of paper, on post-it notes, stuck to your screen, to your desk, wherever you can see them, because you need to follow them rigidly, regardless of how weird or strange it might seem. If you found this useful, then others might too. Help this message spread by clicking like. There are some very common errors that developers make when they're first starting out with test-driven development, and if you'd like to learn a bit more about what those are, then try this video next.